Sir, these days obesity has become a big problem worldwide. People say they do diet, but diet means in their language they try to skip a breakfast or try to skip or try to reduce it and just eat one kind of food like cereals or something. What is your advice for such people?
No, reduce what you are eating. You know, supposing you are eating a small meal, reduce it. Suppose you are a big meal, half it. If you once you reduce your intake, your weight will automatically come down.
We have the last 5 minutes. These will be the people who will be asking questions.
My sister, me and her always have fight.
Sorry?
Me and my sister, we always have fight. So
you have a fight with your sister?
Always.
Oh my God.
I put a little bit less yogurt for her. She's like, no, I want more. I said, it's enough for you. She starts yelling. I want to stop. I want to make it stop. Let's fight.
I gave you the formula. Compassion.
Okay.
Love your sister. Ask her to love you. You will not fight anymore.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. I heard even from you and from others also that fasting is really good for health, whether it is to lose weight or to improve one's health. My question is, what if a person has acidity or gas problem and can't do fasting? So how?
Young lady, why can't you do fasting if you have acidity?
So we get hunger pangs, right? How?
No, you don't. That's a misnomer. Fasting or empty stomach doesn't produce any acid. It's only food that produces acid. You can have an empty stomach for any length of time, nothing happens. Hello.
I do take medications for thyroid, so is there any suggestion for home remedies?
What medication are you taking for thyroid for what?
The Thyronorm tablets.
For what? Your hypothyroidism?
Hypothyroidism.
Did you have any symptoms?
No, I didn't have any symptoms. I just got to know by my blood tests.
By your blood test? Did you do only TSH?
Yes, I mean I have this since past 2 years.
No, what I am saying is, did you do your T3, T4 levels and TSH or only TSH?
It's T3, T4 and TSH.
Repeat now. If the T3, T4 are normal, you don't have to take it.
Oh.
And the home remedy for increasing your metabolism is coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in the mouth, your metabolism will go up. Your thyroid function will improve.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Hi, doctor.
Hi.
My question is, one of my relative, he is at a very young age, he is just 32, 33, and he is suffering from blood pressure. And the doctor suggested him to take medications, and he has been taking it since 1 year. So, is there any alternative or what?
No, in the first place, he has to have a second opinion, because for blood pressure many times is doctor induced. It's called white coat hypertension. So get another doctor to see him. If he genuinely has blood pressure, then he has to take medicines, but medicines are not bad.
Thank you.
Welcome.